Watch it. I'm gonna do this shit in 10. I wonder if it's gonna work. This is why I'm the fucking GOAT. Show me the engine. Show me the engine. It's too easy. It's too easy. Watch it. I'm gonna do this shit in 10. Boom. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a clip. We're gonna cut it to wherever I get it from right there. Get all these points. I think yes, S rank. I've wait, I was supposed to cut it from here. God damn it. Corin, what the f are you doing here? Oh, I lost the 50-50. I wonder if it's gonna work. This is why I'm the fucking GOAT.